What's up, guys? So we're about to head to the store. I'm on my phone now, so I don't really feel like carrying that big camera around. So we're about to head to the store, to the beauty supply, and I think the dollar store, so I could get a crimp. I'm getting a crimp, some wig caps. I think I need wax for the hair. Okay, guys, so that actually fits there like perfectly. Okay, so we're done at the beauty supply store. Girl, it was expensive. I was expecting to do like 50, but I my car's okay. Anyway, I thought that it was gonna be like 50, but if one curling iron costs 50, and then I got the pressing comb, which was like $10-15, and then I got another $10-15 on the cap, another $10-15 on the oil. You know, it add up. I'm sitting here thinking I'm coming in for a quick spending or whatever, and I'm supposed to be starting budgeting today because I went Christmas shopping yesterday. I really don't know what I should do. I'm like, I should just do it at the park, but I don't know where I should go for this photo shoot because I wanted to go to the campus. I'm in online school, so I'm graduating from an online school. So they have a campus, but I've never really been there. So it would kind of like defeat the purpose. But I do want concrete, and I'm doing this photo shoot on my own too. So I'm doing this, I want concrete in the background. Like I want a concrete building or something like that. Or a road behind me. I keep having a vision of having like a road behind me with the balloons with my cap on, some confetti, and then doing like that. But I just feel like I should be in, like, I don't know, it's hard trying to produce your own photo shoot. It's not that hard, you just got to be in the moods. But I don't know, but I don't have that much time because these pictures is due by December the 6th. I'm gonna do the confetti part last. Am I going to stop? How am I going to execute this is my question. Like, how am I going to have balloons, my photographer equipment, and so my photographer equipment and the props, how am I gonna, I'm gonna have to put it all in a bag. I got a bag for that. Okay, that's cool. Because what the hell, then I'm gonna have to be in my outfit too. But girl, what outfit? What am I gonna wear? Oh my god, I'm doing this tomorrow.
She said her favorite color yellow. It looked good on her dress. Trying to be slim, thick, nothing less. But she's falling in and out of love. Her heart was broken. Wonder if your summertime crushes even notice it burns in July. And it felt like a dream, but a dream is the best kind of lie, yeah. I realized when I woke, I just want you, yeah, yeah. I just want you, yeah, yeah. Should've told her you made a move, yeah, yeah.
I think I plucked a hole in my lace stuff, which is annoying as hell. Because not in the lace, but like I plucked when I was plucking, I think I was going a little bit too hard in one spot. Which is weird because the whole time I was like, don't go hard in one spot because you're going to have a bald spot. And then I pluck, and then 2 seconds later I look, I'm like, god damn, is this a bald spot? Doing hair is a science and mathematics. It's engineering, honestly.
Trying to be slim, thick, nothing less, but she's falling. too kind. She a little bit too emotional. Cry your heart out. Let me know what's going on. I'll make you
Guys,
feel
looking right. Oh yeah, look at that, look at that. That's a scalp, boo. That's what that is, boo. That's a scalp right there. You see that? That's a scalp.
Slim, thick or not, you're still pretty nonetheless. Don't go falling, though your heart is broken. Summertime crushes never noticed. A little bit too kind, little bit too.
You know I ain't lying, 'cause I hate wasting time. You said soon we'll be leaving this place alive.
Guys, I'm eating Thanksgiving leftovers. I got a turkey, grilled cheese, potato salad that I haven't even touched yet, and sweet potato pie because I'm addicted, and I'm so excited. I don't know. I was making the cutest faces in the house in the mirror. And then when I come out here, I don't know what to do. I think it's because I'm cold. But thankfully, it is nobody out here. So I'm gonna go try down there. And then yeah. But this is like so hard. I thought it was gonna be so easy. And I was gonna be able to do like this. Walk on with my life, but it's actually so much more harder than that. My eyes are watering, my fingers are numb. That concludes this round of graduation photos. I might do another one, but I also might not, because I mean, like, I might, but it might be in the house. It might not be outside because it's a little bit too cold out here, and you girl don't really do the cold, not like this, not in okay. Come on with these eyes, child. I'm getting in the car. There's somebody coming this way. I'm getting in the car. Alright, let's go. What's up, guys? Okay, I'm home. Can y'all tell that I have a bald spot in my head? I feel like if I didn't say it, y'all would have been able to tell. Like, this is ridiculous. And no matter where I part it in this area, it's gonna show. I was plucking the other day and I plucked a little bit too much. I plucked a little bit too much, plucked a little bit too much, and plucked like an entire hole right there. I don't know why I thought I was, girl, I don't know. I have the worst luck with lace front wigs. It's terrible. But hi guys, Courteney and Victoria, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys liked that last video. I didn't do an intro to this video, so this might be somewhere in the middle of the video, but welcome. I'm back home from my photo shoot. I am about to eat. I was going to talk about my graduation, but I feel like it's going to be so boring. Like, I'm graduating. That's all of y'all need to know. Yeah, I was going to do a mukbang and tell y'all about graduation, like my story and stuff like that, but I could talk for days about my school story, so no. No, but I did get some wings and a salad. I got some wings, a Greek salad, and some pizza. The photo shoot was fun, y'all. I was cracking up the whole time. Oh my god. Oh my god. that was fun. Girl, don't be snitching on me. Can y'all see that bar back there? Yeah, I got some wings and it's this little pizza spot up the street from my house. Oh, they did me wrong with this pizza though, this little ass pizza. I asked for a small, but I didn't. Girl, y'all need to be calling this a personal. Girl, that is too small. Ooh, this Greek salad looks so good. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yum. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So yeah, so the cookout, Lord Jesus, the photo shoot was fun, except for it was so cold. Cause it's too cold out here, you guys. Y'all see what's happening? Y'all see what's happening though. I'm trying, and Mother Nature is trying me. No ma'am. I might have been to one of the coldest places in the world, but I had on mad layers. Today I had on this top, which was from AliExpress, so y'all know it's not thick. It don't have a whole lot of material on it. It's from AliExpress. This bald spot is disturbing. Oh, they got pizza too. What type of pizza y'all got? My neighbors got pizza too. I can see them in the box. Oh, there's not a pizza box. Anyway. And some Fashion Nova jeans, you know them thin too. And some heels, so my feet was cold. Girl, I was freezing. It was 50 degrees, it felt like 30. And I was by the water. The place that I did my photo shoot was by a river. And the place where I did my photo shoot was by a river. And when you're by the water, it gets colder, you know, so I was freezing. Plus it was windy. I tell y'all, I got in my car and was like, I had the heat on high and my seat warmer on. My fingers were numb, my face was numb, my mouth was numb. I couldn't handle. I couldn't handle it. I couldn't handle that wind. And then I think I'm still gonna end up getting a photographer to do. I might. It depends on how these pictures come out. I haven't looked at them yet. But I might get a photographer to do my photo shoot. Even though I got my own camera, my own set. Like, I tried today and I probably did get some good shots, but I didn't get any full body shots. And I don't really see how, unless I buy a clicker, because the Canon app, I'm smacking, sorry. Hold it up. If I could pay myself to model and also pay myself to be a photographer, then I totally would. Okay. Anyway, the Canon app only works with Wi-Fi, so it's not going to work if my phone isn't on Wi-Fi and I don't have a hotspot. So I'll have to go and get a clicker, and I just wasn't feeling it. I was like, I don't really want to go get a clicker. Oh, you guys, the whole reason why I even sat down and started talking to y'all. Girl, I don't know if I'm really liking this lace. I plucked a hole into it, child. Oh my God. But when I plucked it, I must have plucked like the actual hair instead of out the root, because it's like a whole bunch of short hairs that be flying around my head, and it's just they be getting caught in my lashes and stuff. That's annoying. But I brought y'all up here for a reason, not season. I'm so hungry. I haven't ate all day. I need to go to the dentist. I got a cavity and I can feel it. I've been telling myself to go to the dentist all 2020. I'm about to say I think they're closed, but they're not. They gave me a phone call back and I need to go to the dentist. Seriously. Girl, what am I trying to say? This piece is so good. You don't even gotta heat it up. So let me put this hat on my head because I can't change my part. And that bald spot is really annoying me. So let me put this hat on my head because it's frustrating me. So nah, I feel like now I can't see my face, but that's okay. Let's get into this unboxing. You guys won't believe I'm so excited. Being financially responsible and financially knowledgeable comes with its perks. This right here is an investment. What I'm about to show you guys, just like this camera. Okay, girl, it's an investment. I'm gonna have this camera for how long? Okay. So it's very good to invest in yourself on things that you think are important. You know, I really didn't know anything about photography, to be honest with y'all, but once I got into it, I was like, oh my god, I'm obsessed with it. And I've always been obsessed with photography. I just never had a technique. Like my first camera I got when I was a preteen, it was a Nikon, and I was too everywhere, you know. I was all over the place when I got that camera. So I was into it one day, and then the next day I was into like music or my piano, you know. Two? Oh girl, well. Okay, excuse me. I guess these was on sale too. These aren't anything special, just memory cards. They are actually pretty special. They are 128 gigabytes, 4K HD memory cards. Thank you very much. So I got Tommy Carter. If you guys don't know, I name my stuff, which is actually, I'm starting to think it's kind of weird. Like, stop naming stuff. What the hell? But my first car I named Carmen. The car that I drive now that I just introduced to you guys recently's name is Cody. And I'm not trying to sit up here and pose and, you know, pretend like, you know, like this is just between me and you. We're having a moment right now. And that's it, okay? Anyway, I named my second car Cody, and look at my dog's name is Cookie. My camera's name is Chase, and I was saying the other day that the next camera, like the camera that I got my eyes on, name is going to be Tommy Carter. Don't know, just popped into my head. So I was like, okay, Tommy Carter. And so I can't believe it, but okay, so Best Buy was having a sale on a G7 II, the PowerShot G7 Mark II, and I was like, that's reasonable. I can't believe how far I come, you guys. I used to work at Six Flags. I used to work at a store. Couldn't afford gas, couldn't afford nothing. And now I'm about to, girl, don't start crying. Now I'm about to graduate with my second degree, my bachelor's degree, in a field that I'm passionate about, that I actually am active. I do this is work. And I don't know where God is taking me, but I trust in him and I walk by faith and not by sight. And yeah, I can't believe it. I can't believe how far I come, because a year ago probably I would not have been able to even fathom doing stuff like this. All of these things were dreams. It's taking forever. Anyway, I introduced to you guys, here go my mother right when I'm trying to do this. She's trying to come downstairs. I introduced to you guys I introduced to you guys Tommy Carter. I hope she ain't up there being nosy. She is probably. I introduced to you guys Tommy Carter. This is the Canon G7 Mark III camera. Very excited. I've already got fingerprints on it, man. Come on, man, girl, watch your fingers, girl. With them chicken grease and piece of grease, girl. Better watch it now. Around Tommy, child. Tommy is my youngest. I got 4 kids now. There's nothing wrong with this camera. I love this camera, but I noticed that it's really heavy. Number one, try carrying this camera around with your arms vlogging. This camera that I'm filming on now is very heavy, and I'm not a vlogger. I don't vlog. This is not for YouTube. This is not for YouTube. All of this stuff, I'm not gonna lie and say that it's not for YouTube. Obviously I'm making YouTube videos, so it does and help me make YouTube videos. Hello. This is an investment in my career. That's why I did this. I did it because I wanted to. Bye, Courteney. Truth be so. Okay, let's not get into it. I'm not gonna get into it. I'm not gonna tell you guys why I buy things, but this camera is really heavy, so that's what drove me to even think about getting a compact camera, because I wasn't thinking about it. I was like, I just use my phone. My phone camera is good enough, you know. It's good enough. It's awesome quality, actually. But I was thinking about like events in my life, like graduation that's coming up, when I go on trips, and you know, different things. I want to capture the memories of my family. I feel like the past couple of years I haven't been there. I've been growing up not in front of a camera or whatever. I haven't been capturing a lot of my memories, so just making that easier for myself. Anyway, this camera is popping. The reason why I didn't get the Mark II and went up a little bit and got the Mark III is because it was on sale. It was still steep, and I should slap my wrist for buying this, but I really should. But no, don't. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't shame yourself, girl. If you deserve it and you earned it, go and get it. Go and get it. You feel me? Can you handle it? Go and get it. Period. 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 So yeah, this is an investment. I'm really happy that I got this. I guess the rest of the vlog will be filmed with this instead of my phone, and you guys will be able to see the difference in my phone and in my camera. And who knows, I probably will end up vlogging, but I don't really do too much to vlog. And the viewfinder flips up, and I didn't even know it. I didn't do no research on this camera. I went into the store. I just know that it's a certain type of quality that I want to capture my life with, and boom boom bam boo da ba ba boo, you know what I'm saying? And then it has a zoom lens, which is really awesome. This zoom lens is crazy. It's crazy. The color on this is crazy. It's crazy. And has a few different settings on it, or what may have you. It's Wi-Fi empowered. And I should go show my mom that I got this, because I told her I wasn't going to. But I ended up getting it, bro. You guys are going to be kind of like shocked at the next few things that you see. Is there no way to cover this viewfinder? I don't want to scratch it. Anyway, you guys are going to be a little bit shocked on the next few things that you see on my channel, but that's okay. Stay out my pockets. I'm annoying. Yeah, but there's gonna be some more stuff that y'all gonna be like, you did not. Yes, I did too. Yes, I did. Let me go show my mom my camera and finish working. I got so much work to do. I'm in over my head. Oh my gosh, I'm talking about some can you handle it? Girl, can I?